Hello developers, this is part 2 of Jetpack Compose, and here we will understand why Google moved to Compose. So let's get started. Fast development in Jetpack Compose, the preview, debugging, everything is very fast. Deep Jetpack integration. Here we will use Material Design 3 library for making rich user interface. Future proof, that means this is the future of Android application development. If you come across native mobile application development using Java or Kotlin, then you must learn to compose. This is the future of Android application. Next, before jumping into code editor, first let's understand dependencies. So here we need to import these dependencies: Android Act, Compose UI, Compose user interface, and material design dependency. So these three dependency we need to import inside build.gradle, and then we will design our composable function, and this composable function we need to call inside set content method. This is one of the method. There we will call our greeting, that is composable function, that we will call inside set content method. Now first, let's understand basic component or basic elements of compose. So here we have, if we want to display any text, then we will use text composable function. For button, we have button composable function. This is how we write composable button in compose. Next, image, to display image. Okay, so this is how we display static image. And modifier is nothing but to give style. Okay, for that purpose we use modifier. So that's all for this video. I hope in next video we will start coding.